Hello, this is Stephanie from the Reddick Library. I'm going to show you how to download the free Access 360 app from Baker & Taylor to access ebooks and audiobooks on your mobile device and tablet. Using your Reddick Library card and this free app, you can check out a combination of up to 5 ebooks or audiobooks at one time. The Access 360 app is free, and it is available through Google Play or the Apple App Store, depending on your device. Today I'm on an Apple iPad, so to get started I'm going to visit the Apple App Store. So I'm going to tap on that. And I need to search for Access 360, so I'm going to tap Search down here at the bottom. And in the search box I'm going to type Access 360 and tap Search. It's going to come up with some suggestions, but we're looking for Access 360. It's the one with the green icon. I've had this on my iPad before, so I don't have a Get button, but you should have a Get button. You're just going to tap that. And the app's going to start to download. It may take longer on your device or shorter, just depending on your internet connection, your speed of your device, etc. So we're just going to let it go ahead and download here. And when it's done, we should get a little prompt where we can open it. So we're just going to tap Open. And you'll be taken to the welcome screen. The first thing we need to do is find our library. So right here in the search box, we're going to tap where it says search for my library, and I'm going to type in Reddick Public Library. I don't need to capitalize or anything like that, and I'm going to hit search. And it'll come up with the suggestion. We only have one, which is good, so we're going to click Reddick Public Library District. We're going to tap that, and it's going to put some information into the screen, the location and the name of the library, and then this is where you're going to need your library card. Your library card ID is going to be your library card number, all 14 digits with no spaces, and the PIN is the last 4 digits on the library card. To enter those, you're just going to tap on that field, type in your library card number, type in your PIN. The default setting on this is for the device to remember your login so that you don't have to do it each time. If you don't want to do that and want to sign in each time, you can toggle that switch off, and then you'll just have to enter your credentials each time you sign in. I'm going to leave mine on Remember Me. I'm going to go ahead and get my library card number entered, and then I will be back with you in a moment. Please watch our next video for a tour of the Access 360 app. For more information about this app, please visit the library's website. If you are having issues and need assistance, please email us at bookalibrarian@reddicklibrary.org to set up a one-on-one online appointment with a knowledgeable staff member.